Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Pro, and today we have a 2018 Toyota Land Cruiser GX 200 series, stock reference number 7404. The shape runs from the 8th month 2015 through to the 3rd month 2021. It has a 1VD 4.5 litre V8 twin turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. One VD 4.5 litre V8 twin turbo diesel engine. We have the left hand headlight, left guard has no damage. Left front 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Both left hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light. Left tailgate is no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has no damage. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. We have a auto type console, auto gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise control.